Today, I'm going to show you one of my favorite chutneys. This chutney goes well with papadums, samosas, kebabs, you name it, it's awesome. It's one from my cookbook, the Curry Guy Bible, and we're going to show you how to do it right now. It takes about 5 minutes at the most. So this is a chutney recipe I learned in Leeds way back in about 2012, right after I started my blog. When I try things, I can usually tell what's in them. I couldn't tell what was in it, but I just knew it tasted really good. So what the secret ingredient was this mango chutney. It's just a smooth mango chutney. I'm going to put that in there. There we are. And then we're going to add a little bit of garlic, so it's a couple of cloves of garlic. These are all recipes that you can really easily change to taste. So if you want more chilies than I put in it, go for it. If you want more salt, if you want more lime juice, whatever, go for it. Just taste as you go and you'll be happier at the end. So I got about 3 finger chilies there. I'll put those in there as well. I'm going to put the juice of at least 1 lime in. I might end up adding a little bit more later. We'll see. And this is just giving a little bit of liquid so it blends a little bit better as well, but it's going to give it a nice tart flavor. So you got the sweetness from the mango, you got the tartness from the lime, I'm going to be putting some salt in, you got the spiciness from the chilies. It's just one of those chutneys that gives you a little bit of everything. To that, we're going to take a big handful, that's a big handful of mint leaves. No need to go out and weigh them or anything, just grab a handful of mint leaves and also a handful of coriander. I usually put a little bit more mint in this than I do coriander, but that's again up to you, what you want to do. And I'm just going to put just a pinch of salt, just to see how everything tastes at the end. All right, so now put that on there, and we're going to set this to blend. All right, that's looking like it's supposed to. That out. Can't wait for this. I even got myself some papadums cooked up. Give it a go. This is not part of the curry party. This is the curry party. You put this on the table, people are going to love you for it. Give it a try. It's coriander, mint, and mango chutney. It's from my book, The Curry Guy Bible. I got a lot more things like this on the way, so please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. I think you're going to absolutely love this coriander, mint, and mango chutney. It's really unique and one that I always whip up when I have friends coming over. It's so easy to make. 5 minutes, got it done, and it's really worth a try. Give it a go.